Hi, this is your brother Shiab Nilagiri. Welcome to another episode of Accounts and Inspire. Before get started here, my dears, please subscribe and enable bell icon so that you get the notification there is a new video. My dear friends, let's move to discuss expenditure. What is expenditure? General meaning, let's check. Expenditure is the amount spent or liability incurred for acquiring asset or purchases of asset, goods or services. If we want to purchase any asset, we need to spend money. If we have to provide services to someone, we need money, we have to spend. So that spending amount, either it may be acquiring assets or goods or services, that we may call as expenditure. That expenditure we can categorize into two: capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. So we can discuss what is capital expenditure. I'm asking to you, my dears, what are the things are there at your home? So you can say that, sir, we have building, we have land, we have furniture, then computer we have, television we have, refrigerator, fridge, etc. These are all the items. Many items are there. You notice this item. My second question: do you have the habit, or does your father have the habit of purchase these items regularly? That means every month? No, isn't it? So, but we are spending some amount. From that asset, from that goods, we will get the benefit for more years. My dears, capital expenditure, it is an expenditure the benefit of which extend beyond one accounting period, beyond 1 year. We will get the benefit. Take the case of any fixed asset. We will get the benefit more than 1 year. Why we need to spend money for capital expenditure? In the business concern, it increases the earning capacity of the organization. In the non-profit organizations also, we need some capital expenditure for the smooth functioning. It is not recurring item. What is recurring? Repeated. It won't repeated every month. It won't repeated regularly. So such kind of expenditure we may call as capital expenditure. Then where we can record this item? It is, we can record it in the balance sheet. Asset side we can record. My dear friends, so expenditure, the benefit of which extend beyond one accounting period. If you are getting the benefit more than one accounting period, that expenditure we may call as capital expenditure. Hope you understood. Let's see some example. Purchases of sports equipments, purchases of books for library, cost of land and building. Look at this example. All these we can use it for more years. More than 1 year we will get the benefit of this item. That's we may call as capital expenditure. Revenue expenditure is that expenditure benefit of which expire within the accounting period. That means that benefit expire within 1 year. Such kind of expenditure we may call as revenue expenditure. But as far as business is concerned or NPO is concerned, this revenue expenditure also very important. Why it is? It maintains the earning capacity. For the smooth functioning of NPO, we need staff. We have other expenses are there. That expenses is regular nature. That is recurring item. Revenue expenditure is a recurring item. So revenue expenditure is debited to an income and expenditure account. Let's see some example. Salary to staff. Every month we need to pay. Every year we are liable to pay. That is our revenue expenditure. Honorarium, charity, audit fees, purchase of sports material, rent, etc. Many items are there. We have taken only few examples. These are all revenue expenditure. So revenue expenditure, benefit of which expire within the accounting period, within 1 year. Next one, receipt. Receipt. What is receipt? Amount received or receivable. In the normal case, think my dear, how we will get amount? Either selling goods or selling any fixed asset or services. So receipt is the amount received or receivable for selling asset, goods or services. That receipt we can classify into two: revenue receipt and capital receipt. Okay, my dear. So what is capital receipt? So capital receipt are the receipt which are not revenue receipt. That's a simple only. Are received for the purposes specified by the donor. In the NPO is concerned, you know, donor may give some amount for the special intention. That will considered as capital receipt. Apart from the revenue receipt, everything we may consider as capital receipt. These are non-recurring nature. What it means? This receipt we cannot expect every time. It is not repeated items. So capital receipt is shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. My dear, capital expenditure recorded or shown in the asset side of the balance sheet. Here capital receipt is shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Let's discuss some example. Life membership fee, legacies, special donation, building fund, sale of fixed asset, etc. Then revenue receipts are there. What is revenue receipt? Revenue receipt which are received as an income by the organization in carrying out the activities. That means the amount received in the normal course of operation. That is regular nature. That is why you see revenue receipt are usually for recurring nature. This income will get repeatedly. So revenue receipt shown in the income and expenditure account credit side, but capital receipt shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Let's see some example. Subscription, entrance fee, general donation, rent received, sale of old newspaper, etc. These are all the some examples of revenue receipt. My dear friends, so in this video we discussed expenditure and receipt. Expenditure two kind, capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Then we discuss receipt, two kind of receipt, capital receipt and revenue receipt. My dear, in the next video we will discuss about what is subscription, what is legacies, what is endowment fund, what is special donation, what is general donation. All these items we'll discuss in the next video. If you like this session, my dear, kindly appeal, please subscribe and enable bell icon so that you get notification every time